Okay, so the second portion of this lab, then the second lab here, is we're going to do this. We're use a different car. I think this car moves a little slower than the first car. But what we're going to do with this guy is we're going to, instead of just letting him go straight, we're going to turn him around a couple of times. Okay, so we're going to turn his car around a couple of times, and we'll see what that does to the position from the starting point. Okay, so. We can go ahead and watch, right? I got the same starting point here. And yeah, I'm gonna let him go for a few seconds. Let this car go for a few seconds, and then I will stop it and turn it around and kind of go from there. Okay, so you need to see this car's moving a little slower. So here we go. All right, so that was actually a little closer than that. So we were at 5 seconds here. I'm going to label 5. Okay. Now I'm going to turn the car back around and kind of continue on for 5 seconds. Okay. Stop that. All right. So we went that way. We went back here. Now we're at 8 seconds. Okay, and then I'm going to turn him and I'm going to let him go back. Let the guy go back in the original direction. For a few more. All right. Go track him, back out again. All right, and then we got to get our meter stick out again. So let's see, wrong way there. So back from the starting line on the edge of this tile here, first second was at 13 centimeters. Second is at 24. And then 39 at 3 seconds. 52 at 4 seconds. And at 5 seconds, we're at that's 66. And now I'm going to leave the meter stick here, right? Now the car's starting to swing back toward me, but I still want to measure the distance from the starting point to the next. So we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds, and then I turn the car around. So at 6 seconds, right? At 5, and at 6, it's right here. So at 6, it's at 52 seconds, or 52 centimeters. At 7, it is at 38 centimeters. And at 8 seconds, it's at 22. Okay, so 52, 38, 22. Okay, and then the car went back the other direction. So let's see. At 9 seconds, it's at 37. At 10, it's at 52. At 11, it's at 68. And then at 12 seconds, it's at 84. And let's see, we're a little bit past 100 then. So we're at 103 at 13 seconds. And we can stop there. 13 is good. Okay. So as you can kind of see the marks I made, it went took an out and up and back path. What we're going to be doing is, right, you guys are going to take those, again, make another graph. It's going to look somewhat similar to the first one. It's going to look somewhat different than the first one. Okay, so let me read those to you again. Okay, 0, 0, and then 1 second, 13 centimeters, then 24, then 39, then 52 is 4 seconds, then 66, then 6 is 52, 7 is 38, 8 is 22, 9 is 37, as we're going back further away from the start. 10 is 52, 11 is 68. 12 is 84. And 13 seconds was 103 from the start. And let's go 14. It was at 117 with 14 seconds. 14 is 117. Okay. So we should have a little bit of a path that the car took this time, as opposed to like just one direction that it took the first time. Okay. So make your graph using that data on the second graph.